Websites that pay you $100 plus per day. Imagine earning over $100 every single day just by using a few websites. No special skill, no big investment, just real way to make money online. In this video, I will share 10 websites that can help you earn at least $100 per day. I will share 10 websites that can help you earn at least $100 per day. These are real platforms where people are already making money. Make sure to watch till the end because I will reveal the easiest website to start making money fast. Website 1, Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can offer service like writing, graphic design, programming and more. Many freelancers make over $100 per day by completing projects for clients worldwide. The key to success on Upwork is building a strong profile and applying for high paying gigs. Website 2, Fiverr. Fiverr is another freelancing site where you can sell service. You can offer things like logo design, video editing, voice over, or even simple tasks like writing product description. Some Fiverr sellers make thousands of dollars per month just by completing a small gigs. Website 3rd, Amazon KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to make money by publishing ebook. You don't need to buy a professional writer. You can hire freelancer to write books for you and earn passive income from sale. Many self-published authors make $100 per day or more by selling books on Amazon. Website 4, Shutterstock. If you enjoy photography or graphic design, you can sell your image on Shutterstock. Every time someone download your photo, you can earn money. Some photographers earn thousands of dollars per month by uploading high quality image. Website 5 is Teespring. Teespring allow you to create and sell custom t-shirt, hoodies and mugs without needing inventory. You design the product and Teespring handle the rest. If your designs go viral, you can make $100 per day easily. Website 6, Print Printify. Printify is another print on demand website like Teespring, but it connect with platforms like Etsy and Shopify. You can sell custom clothing, accessories, and home decor without holding any stock. People make thousands of dollars selling unique designs through Printify. And website 7 is YouTube. YouTube pay creators through ad revenue, a sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. You don't even need to show your face to make money. If you can get consistent views, making over $100 per day is achievable. And website 8 is Medium Partner Program. Medium allow writer to make money from their articles. The more people read your content, the more money you earn. Many bloggers earn over $100 per day just by writing engaging articles. And website 9 is user testing. User testing pay you to test website and apps. You just need to record your screen and give feedback on your experience. Each test take about 20 minutes and pay around $10. Doing multiple tests per day can earn you $100 or more. Website 10 is Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade and digital products. You can sell things like printables, planners, stickers, or crafts. Many sellers make over $100 per day selling digital downloads because there is no need to handle inventory. Bonus tips: affiliate marketing. One of the best way to make $100 per day is through affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon Associate, Clickbank, and Share a Sale allow you to promote products and earn commissions. If you create content around high ticket products, you can make even more money. This train website can help you earn $100 per day or more. Whether you want to sell service, create content, or sell products, there is an opportunity for everyone. If you found this information helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below which website you are going to try first. Thanks for watching this videos.